Movie AI is a powerful and versatile AI video generator available completely free. It allows users to effortlessly create animated videos with impressive quality. All the videos showcased here have been generated using Movie AI advanced text-to-video and image-to-video model. Just take a look at how stunning these visuals are. With this tool, you can easily bring your ideas to life and create eye-catching content. Whether you're a content creator, designer, or AI enthusiast, Movie AI offers incredible value. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to generate stunning videos for free using Movie AI Video Generator. Step 1. Creating account. Click on the link given in the description below, and you will come to Movie AI website. First, you need to sign up. You can use Gmail or another email account. After registering for the first time, you will get 130 free credits, which you can use to create 6 free videos and lots of images. I will tell you later how you can use it unlimitedly for free. Step 2. Image to video. After sign in, you will come to this page. This is an all-in-one AI tool because it offers you a lot of tools like the video generation, video extend, image generation, partial repaint, and audio generation. Since our current topic is on text-to-video and image-to-video tools, so we will explore these tools first. Now, we'll first click on the video generation button, and this interface will appear in front of you. Now, we upload an image we have, click here, and upload the image which we want to animate. Next, we will enter our prompt in the prompt box. If we want to polish our prompt, click on Creative Assistant button, enter your prompt here and click on this arrow icon. Creative Assistant will polish your prompt. Click on Use Prompt button, and your prompt will automatically enter in the prompt box. From the camera movement section, we can use different camera angles for our image, as you can see: pan left, pan right, zoom in, zoom out, wide short, panorama, etc. Using these, we can animate our image using a custom camera angle. In the basic settings, the settings for free users are already selected, such as 720p resolution, and only one video can be generated at a time. Finally, we will click on the Generate button, and it will generate the video for us in a short time using 20 credits. In a short while, your still photo will be in front of you in the form of animated video. And look at the superb result of this animation. Now if we want to download this video without watermark, so for that I am telling you a tip. You can see that if we click on the arrow icon, then here the free user cannot download without watermark. For this we will have to use a third-party app, like I am downloading the video using this app, or we can record our screen through any free screen recorder. This way we can download our videos without watermark. Let's try another image converted into video. First, we upload an image. After uploading the image, we will enter the prompt in the prompt box. I will paste this simple prompt. After that, we will go to camera movement and select the camera movement for our video. I will select dolly out. We leave the basic settings as they are and click on the Generate button, and in a short while, the result is in front of us. You can see that it has provided an amazing animated video as per our prompt. This scene looks so realistic, it's as if the tiger was captured through the lens of a DSLR camera. If you are not satisfied with the result of the video, you can click the Regenerate button to regenerate it. You can extend a 5-second video to 10 seconds by clicking the Video Extend button. And you can add a sound of your choice in the background of this video by clicking the Auto BGM button. For example, I click on the Auto BGM button, and here you can see that your video has been added to the Auto BGM section. Now we will enter our prompt in the prompt box, which sound we want to see in the background of this video, and click on the Generate button, and using only 4 credits, it will create the sound of your choice in the background of the video. Step 3. Text to video. In this third step, we will test the text-to-video feature. Click on Text-to-Video button. Now, first we will enter our prompt in the prompt box. I will paste this prompt. After that, we will go to the camera movement section and select the best camera movement according to our video. I select panorama. The basic settings are already set for the free account, but we can select aspect ratio of our choice, and finally click on the Generate button. And in a very short time our text-to-video has generated. Just look at this, how detailed this video is. The result is exactly what we wrote in the prompt, which is definitely amazing, and the quality of video is also very good. The text-video tool of Movie AI has impressed me a lot. Now, let's try to generate another video with a new prompt and see what kind of result Movie AI provides this time. I paste this prompt that I have already prepared. Now, we will go to the camera section, and this time I will select jib down camera movement in advanced section. Leave other settings as it is, and click on the Generate button. And here is the output. It looks good. Based on my prompt, it generated a video that turned out exceptionally well. I've also created these videos using the text-to-video tool, and their results have been very impressive. The video quality is truly remarkable, and I'm genuinely amazed at how accurately this AI tool followed my prompt to bring it to life. Step 4. Image generation. Now we will test the image generation tool of Movie AI. For this we will click on the image generation button, and this interface will appear in front of us. First we write our prompt. I paste this simple prompt. After that we will upload the reference image, although it is optional, but I will tell you what we can do with it by uploading the reference image. You can see that these 4 options are given below: subject, pose, sketch, depth. If we select the subject, then whatever output we generate from our prompt entered in the prompt box will be the similar as the face of our reference image. If we select pose, our generated image pose will be the same as our reference image pose, and if we select depth, it will duplicate the background blur effect of the original image. First we will try the subject option, then we will adjust the aspect ratio to 16:9. In the basic settings, you can generate 1 to 4 images at a time. I will generate 1 image to save credits. Now click on the Generate button to start the processing. And here is the output. You can see that the image I uploaded as a reference image has been generated as per my prompt. The prompt I wrote has been added to the background of an image. And the main subject of the image, which was a woman, is the same as the reference image I uploaded. Now, let's try the pose feature. Upload the image whose pose we want to put in our new image. Then we write our prompt in the prompt box. After upload, this is our original image, and it has obtained this pose from this original image, from which it will generate a new image according to this pose. We leave all other settings as they are and click on the Generate button. And in a few seconds this is the result, and look at the image. Taking the pose of the reference image, he has generated an image according to the prompt, which is definitely turned out really well. Step 5. Partial repaint. Now we will try the partial repaint tool in this 5th step. Click on this partial repaint button, and you will arrive at this workspace. Here, we first upload our image by clicking on this plus icon. After uploading the image, you can see there are 3 options below the image. With AI Erase you can remove objects, people, and anything you don't like in your image. Next, with Outfit Swap, you can replace and add anything in your clothing, and with Replace Object, you can swap objects in image. I select Outfit Swap from here and write my prompt in this Redraw Requirements box, like, I want to change the blue dress the woman is wearing in this image to a yellow dress. Click on Generate button. And you can see that the blue dress has been changed to a yellow one, which looks fantastic. Finally, I'll tell you how to use this tool for free without limits. As I mentioned at the start, you receive 130 credits, which allow you to generate 6 videos and numerous images. Once your 130 credits are used up, you can create a new account using Temp Mail to get another 130 free credits. By repeating this process, you can generate as many videos and images as you like. But keep in mind that this AI video generator is still new in the market, so they are giving 130 free credits to new users, but such best AI video generators soon become fully paid, so start using this AI video generator right away and take full advantage of it.